from the Gullah Geechee Nation.
Wow.
You take that away, you take Treme away, there is no black culture in this country.
Wow.
You think I'm lying? Oh, no, I'm lying. Paris Christian, Mississippi, and Mobile, Alabama, where the French went with the Indians and slaves and free people of color. That's it.
That's it.
You pick up the Seminoles from Florida.
Right here, right.
That's it.
But that's it.
Wow.
And now, how do you properly pronounce it? Is it Faubourg Treme?
Faubourg Treme.
Faubourg Treme. And why did Treme get that name?
It was named after the sort of progenitor. Claude Treme came in as a hat maker from France.
Okay.
And he married an ugly duckling whose father owned this plantation, and he gave them this landmass as a wedding gift.
Okay.
And his position was, if you got money, you can buy. So free people of color, primarily women, owned most of this land here about and built the home.
Okay. And so now where the African American Museum is in, that was one of the plantation houses?
That was one of the plantation houses from the Revere family back then. It was also part of the property owned by the company of the West Indies.
I thought so. I thought it had a tie into the West Indies.
And it was also a brickyard and a lumber yard where the lumber was hewn. And the houses built here in the quarters came out of that brickyard and lumber yard.
Gotcha. Okay. This is Tremaine. So when all 100 children in may come to the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival this year. But if you make them to New Orleans in the future, you should make sure you come to Farball Tremaine. This was all of we culture and thing there. And this year will we ending this year Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival. Gullah Geechee, the drum, the drum, the Guan Congo Square, all of this year. But all of it, we people did, we had business and everything that going on. And we still got the family right here, plenty Geechees right here, so proud we been here. And we had to party with them to end it all. After the mass, down the second line, down this here street right here, and thing like that, right from the church of Yona, St. Augustine, where we done learn about who he done and all of that and why he come for be. And now Hunter children know that this year the Queen quit coming on a live from Gullah Geechee TV. And this year the work going on. Peace and blessings, family.
Arriving at destination on right.